Hey kids, it's me again, out here with Johnny B, K20. Yeah. We're doing something different here, Okay. It's already been changed. I ain't going to go through all of that with you. But this set of wiper blades is the last set of wiper blades in California, Oregon, and Washington. I needed to replace the blades. Last year, passenger side broke in the middle of a snowstorm, wiped out my windshield. I can polish that out. But you can't get these blades, and you can't replace this piece of the original. It doesn't come apart. It's not, it's what's known as a bayonet style, but it don't come apart. You can't replace the blade and the holder. So I went to LMC Trucks. And first of all, I knew I was going to need to be able to get them off, so I bought this. This is the tool you need to get them off. Okay, so cool. I got the right size. I replaced them. Now, last year I had a blade, so I got one on there, but that was it out of the pack, and they seemed to break it one at a time. And this is the driver's side, and it was already separating. It was going to go this year, so I did this route. And so you have to buy a left-hand arm and a right arm and a left arm, but the same blade. So these are the numbers to replace passenger side and to replace driver's side. You can order these for your 60 to 63 pickups, and 64 they changed to the other style where you can change these blades. So now I have the later model with the right size blade. 14-inch blade would, as you can see, would be way too high, and 12-inch blade would be too low. So they came with 13s on this truck, and that's what I put back on it. So these are exact replacements. They go right on. This is my first season with them. We'll see how it goes, but I can at least get the replacement blades now. Whereas, like I said, that's the last set. And I bought that at Baxter's Auto Supply. They said, I ordered two. They had two in their warehouse, and they sent me one and gave me a refund on the other. They didn't want to send them both to me, or it was missed in their computer. So there you go. Johnny B has some new whipper blades.